Okay, so here we have a three-step linear equations and we need to solve for x. Not only that we will do three steps, as you can see there are two terms with variables. So on the left we have an x and on the right side we have a negative 14. Okay, so the first step that we will do here is to remove that negative 4x on the right side. You can actually remove that x on the left, but you know, the preference of most students is that the variable x or whatever variable is on the left side. So we want to remove that negative 4x on the right. And how are we going to do that? Simple. We will add the inverse of negative 4x, and that's positive 4x. So when we do that on the left, or on the right side rather, we also need to do that on the left side. Negative 4x plus positive 4x, that will be equal to 0. X has a coefficient of 1, so it's just 1x. 1x plus 4x is equal to 5x. So that's step number 1. Step number 2, since the term with x is on the left side, there's a constant number negative 12 on the left. We want to remove that. So the first step is you remove the x on the right. The second step is you remove the constant number on the left side. So we add the inverse of negative 12, that's positive 12. 13 plus 12 is equal to 25. So that's step number 2. Step number 3, we have a lot simpler equation. We just need to remove that 5 by dividing both sides by 5. And of course, we know the answer to this. The answer is 5. 25 divided by 5. Okay, let's go to the next one. And this is the last example for this topic. Alright, so here we have 3x plus 19 equals 7x minus 11. First step, we need to remove the term with x on the right side. And the way to do that is by adding its inverse. So the inverse of positive 7x is negative 7x. 3 plus negative 7 is equal to negative 4x. That's the first step. Second step is remove the constant on the left side. That's a positive 19, so plus negative 19. Negative 11 plus negative 19 is equal to negative 30. Last step, third one, is divide both sides by negative 4. So x equals positive 30 over 4, and I believe we can still simplify that because both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 2. That's the GCF, by the way. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So 15 over 2 is the final answer.